Yes, I don't want to know if anybody has got any idea on how to fix this screen ghost. In fact, it's very dangerous and I really don't know what to do about it. Assuming I plug in the phone to charge, you'd see how the screen displays. It just changes colors from green to white to yellow and so on and so forth, you know. And even when I switch it on, it does happen. I mean, it just stays on a white and green screen just like that. Keeps on rotating. It's very serious and it's very disheartening, very heartbreaking that you know you buy a phone at that amount and then all of a sudden it keeps on messing up. You know, nobody can tell why. Several research I've made on the net shows it only happens on phones with some dark spots on the screen. But here lies the case: my screen is fine with no crack, not even a dark spot anywhere. But you can see what's happening. It's very serious. Please, if you've got any idea, please help me out. You know, you have to help me, please. Thank you.